So right now what we are going to do is we are going to insert a simple image to who we are, okay, and then write some text there. So in the assets I have given you for the webdesign.com, there should be a folder called assets-webdesign.com, and inside that folder there should be an image called trio.png. These are 3 MacBooks joined together, so I think it would be nice if we can insert this one to who we are. So let's go ahead, copy this image, go to desktop, and then paste this image in webdesign.com. Inside our images folder I'm going to copy this trio.png, okay. So after this comment image, I am going to insert my image using the image tag that we learned when learning the basics of HTML. So you know how to insert image, simple as it is. So it is img tag. Source means the source of the image, which is the location. Inside the images folder it is trio.png, and then we have to definitely put a alt tag. But before that, let's see whether it is working or not. Now this image is there, it is working really well, but ethically or technically this is very bad. That means if I refresh and go down, I have this nice image, but this is wrong. You know why? Because if I say trio and the link is not there, if I go to Google Chrome, refresh, see there is no image, just this simple image, but the user doesn't know what has happened to the image. So definitely we should provide an alt tag. When you are making a website, you should have this alt tag in every single image you are providing. Alt image not available should be there. Image not available, or you can write any text there, but you need to have the alt tag. Now you get the user image not available, okay. Definitely this should be there, okay. Keep in mind alt tag is a must. Now I got this little nice looking image. Put the break line to just keep some space there, okay. So now our text, we have to insert some text here in our next row. So let's open a paragraph tag and then insert some text. So Visual Studio will automatically close the tags for you. Now here let's say something like I would say something like we are a web design company located in somewhere in Earth, okay, somewhere on Earth, and we provide web design solutions, or like we provide complete and then I would say we provide complete web design solutions for what? For your business, yeah. So I think we have to type more. So if you want more text, I got this text, but I need more text here. Like for example, for demo purposes, if you are making a website, or in some websites you might have seen a text called lorem ipsum. That is some dummy text, so you can just get that text. You can go to the website lipsum.com, so you can just Google lorem ipsum, or simply you can go to the website lipsum.com. It is a lipsum, that means a blah blah text generator, okay. This is some dummy text, see? So scroll down and you can give the number of paragraphs or words you want, and simply you can generate the lorem ipsum. I would say something like I want like 20 words. So I'll generate the lorem ipsum. It is like very small. I thought it would be very big. Okay, so I will be getting at around 50 words. So if you want, you can start with lorem ipsum. So I'll just copy this. Okay, I'll copy this. Go ahead to Visual Studio Code and paste it after we said we provide complete web design for your business. Over here you can just paste this and you can just okay. So now if you go to Google Chrome, go to our website, refresh, it is there, okay, looking really good. But we have to do some adjustments to this one to be looking nicer. So let's go ahead with it, but before that I'm going back to lipsum.com and I'm going to get something like 100, I'll be getting around some other 10 words. If you want, you can get more words and you can copy them and go to the end of the line and then paste it there. Okay, simply align the text. These are really important when you're making a website, you know, because you have to make the website fast and accurate for your client as soon as possible. So now I have to justify this text. That means I have to make this text beautiful. So I will give a class to my row as my trial text. Trial means just 3 images are there for the MacBook. That's why I just use that simple random name. So my trial text, inside this one I would say the text align is not center, but rather I would say it is justify. Okay, justify means if I refresh, so I will keep this justify, and then it is justified right now. So now note this one. If you just put some text like ds say ds just something, and if you did not save it, you can look at this close mark. The X is not there, but there will be a black dot. Black dot means that you haven't saved the file. So after you save the file, the black dot will be gone. So now I have this, and now I want to give some margin to the top, because otherwise, you know, it is like, if I just say, but not only to the top, but if I just say margin, and if I say 20 pixels, which means give a margin to top, bottom and right and left. Give a margin for all the 4 areas. See, that is giving a margin about. So all these 4 places from right, left and top and bottom, it is keeping a 20 pixel margin. So I can increase the font size using the font size element, and I would just simply say something around 18 pixels. Would it be very big? $18 is, I guess it is okay, but I would just keep it as like at around 16 pixels. Now the next thing is I want to keep some space before starting the VR web design company, using an HTML element which is known as stuff like NBSP. So an NBSP means keep a space of one space tapped. So you can notice the difference there, NBSP. So we can write like 4 NBSPs means something at around 4 spaces of the space. That is an NBSP. So if you go ahead, save this and refresh the browser, you can see that you get a simple space aligned there. Yeah. From next lesson, let's create the next section of the home page of webdesign.com.